So as we come to the end of this series, I would like to have leave you with some closing thoughts about this whole journey and this whole process. I like to think that every challenge we have to go through in life is an opportunity for us to grow and learn and become better. There's a beautiful quote that Rumi said, which is something I like and I believe in. The wound is the place where the light enters you. And that in so many aspects of life, if you look back, you probably will realize that point that was your biggest challenge, trauma, hurt, may have become the biggest gift you have to share with people in the world and to have your own process of growing.